In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your user ID in a game. Whether you're new to the gaming world or a seasoned player, locating your user ID is crucial for a variety of reasons. It can be essential for account recovery, participating in special game events, or simply connecting with other players. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together to ensure you can confidently find this important piece of information. To begin, you'll want to open up the game. Usually upon launching, you'll be taken directly to the main menu. This is your starting point for most in-game navigation and where many key features and options are accessible. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The main menu is typically designed to give you a broad overview of the game's features, options, and various modes of play. Next, you're going to want to look for your profile or settings section. This is often represented by an icon, such as a gear, which universally signifies settings, or perhaps an avatar icon, which would naturally relate to your profile information. These icons are generally located in the corner of the screen, either at the top or the bottom, and they might vary depending on the game you're playing. So take a careful look around the main menu and see if you can spot it. Once you've identified and clicked on either the gear or avatar icon, you'll be led to a new page or overlay where more detailed information about your game profile is housed. Within this section, you'll typically find your user ID clearly displayed. It's often listed under your username or account details, making it fairly straightforward to locate. You'll want to double check this area if your first glance does not reveal your user ID, as some games might organize things slightly differently. Understanding your user ID is beneficial for your overall gaming experience. It's a unique identifier linked to your account and can be a lifeline if you need to recover your account or change devices. Additionally, when participating in community events or support forums, having your user ID on hand can streamline verifying your participation or troubleshooting issues with the game's technical support team. Now that you've learned where to find your user ID, make note of it somewhere safe. You might even consider taking a screenshot or writing it down in a secure location so you have it readily available whenever you need it. Remember, taking these simple steps will keep your gaming journey smooth and uninterrupted. Thank you for watching. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you now feel empowered to locate your user ID without a hitch. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Happy gaming, and I'll see you